took this image last year in Iceland. I liked everything about this location. I liked everything about this day, but all colors were washed out. I decided to take this image anyways and apply post-production later on. So I will do it today with you guys. I have one layer, background layer for now. I will duplicate this layer just to show to you before and after later on, and I will hide my background layer. I will rename my copy layer to the boat. And now guys, I will show to you another image I took in Iceland. I like the color, the sky. I like this sky a lot. So I will apply this sky to my boat image. I will switch to rectangle marquee tool and I will select the sky. Edit, copy. I will be back to my boat layer and edit, paste. I will highlight my move tool and I will move my sky slightly upper, just like that. I will rename this layer to the sky. I will restack my sky layer. I will bring this layer under my boat layer. Time to highlight the boat layer. Switch to quick selection tool and select this not beautiful sky. After sky is selected, I will click delete key and voila. Select, deselect. Now guys, I have very beautiful sky, but reflection in the water, in this beautiful water is not right. So how we can fix it? Easy. I will duplicate my sky layer and I will rename this layer to reflection, just like that. I need to spell correctly, so double click and rename it to reflection, just like that. And I will move this layer on top of my all other layers. I will switch to move tool, and because guys I have selected show transform controls box, I can modify my layer without jumping to free transform tool. So what I will do, I will flip my layer just like that. And I will click OK to accept all changes. Now I will hide my reflection layer. I will highlight both layer and I will switch back to quick selection tool. I will select the water, but I don't want this boat in my selection. So what I will do, in the options bar, I will switch to the brush icon with minus sign, and I will tell Photoshop, you know Photoshop, I don't want this boat in my selection, just like that. Perfect. So guys, I have water selected in my boat layer. While my water is selected, I will switch to reflection layer. I will bring visibility back, will go to edit and copy. Now I will hide my reflection layer. I will highlight my boat layer, edit, paste, special, paste into, and voila. I know it's ugly for now. I will fix it just in a second. In my layers panel, I will switch blending mode from normal to multiply, just like this. And I will bring down opacity of my reflection layer. This layer, new reflection layer. Guys, new reflection layer, not old reflection layer. Just like this. I will go to filter, blur. You can apply any blur or filter you're more comfortable with, and I will apply blur to my reflection just like that. Now I will delete my top reflection layer. Remember guys, I have a reflection layer. I will delete it just like that, and I will merge all visible layers. Now let me show to you before and after. This is before, this is after. So far, I will go to filter, camera raw filter, and first think what I will do, I will switch white balance from as shot to after. And voila, voila, just in one click, I have I brought back all beautiful colors, but I can modify it. First of all, what I will do, I will bring down exposure slightly. I will increase contrast, just like that. I will bring down highlights because I would like to have all beautiful colors without washing out spots. I will move shadow slider almost all the way to the right. So guys, as you can see, I brought all details back. I will move white sliders slightly to the right and same about black slider. Perfect. Guys, I didn't have any dehaze situation going on at that day, but I will move dehaze slider slightly, guys, slightly to the right, and voila, beautiful. I will switch to tone curve. I will bring highlights down one more time, and I will increase lights just like that. I will move shadow slider slightly to the right. Now guys, what I will do, I will switch to luminance workspace, and I will move greens slider slightly to the right. Same about blues, just like that. And I will switch, I'm sorry, I was in saturation workspace. Now I will switch to luminance, and I will move blue slider slightly, guys, slightly to the left, and same with greens slider, and voila, I will click OK. Guys, let me show to you before and after. This is a great example. Don't miss any opportunity to take your image. Even with washed out colors, washed out details, you can apply post-production to your image later on. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you about this particular image. I will see you just in a second.